how to turn on Vibrate on Snapchat app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on Vibrate on Snapchat easily. So all what you have to do guys is just go to Snapchat. Now this is the home page. As you can see right here, go to the top corner and click on your profile picture. Then it will take you to this page. Go to the top corner right here again, click on it, and now scroll down until you find notifications option. Click on notifications. Now it will take you to this page. All what you have to do is scroll down until you find the Vibrate option. Now on this option, all what you have to do is click here and you will be enabled successfully. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.